Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
Helen Hadsell was a woman who knew how to win. She wasn't lucky. She wasn't born into wealth. Helen Hadsell had a secret. She had a method for winning contests that baffled and amazed people. She won over 5,000 contests in her lifetime. Her wins included cars, trips, and even a house. Helen wanted to share her secret with the world. She believed anyone could win if they knew her method. She called it the SPEC method. It was a simple yet powerful way to manifest your desires. The SPEC method is based on 4 easy steps. The first step is to select your desire. What do you really want to win? Be specific and write it down. The second step is to project. Create a clear mental picture of yourself already having won. Feel the joy and excitement of receiving your prize. The third step is to expect to win. Believe with all your heart that it is possible. Don't let doubt creep in. The final step is to collect. When you win, receive your prize with gratitude. Thank the universe for providing for you. Helen Hadsell's wins weren't just small potatoes. She didn't just win toasters and gift certificates. She won big. She won trips to exotic locations. She won cars. She even won a fully furnished house. Her story is a testament to the power of the SPEC method. It proves that anyone can achieve their dreams with the right mindset. Helen Hadsell's success wasn't just about a method, it was about a mindset. She was deeply influenced by books about the power of thought. Books like Think and Grow Rich and The Power of Positive Thinking shaped her beliefs. She believed in the power of gratitude. She also believed in persistence. Helen knew that not every contest would be a win, but she never gave up. She kept entering, kept believing, and kept winning. Helen Hadsell's story teaches us that we are capable of achieving anything we set our minds to.